Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look as we of the euro versus US dollars. We head into the close. Today's date is October 24, 2024. It's making a break to the upside. Something new on the chart that I think you might be interested. So let's get started. When you trade technically, you look for different nuances in the chart patterns that tilt the bias more either to the upside or to the downside. And if we take a look at the euro versus US dollar on the hourly chart, we noticed here that on Monday, the high price here stalled against this blue line right here. This blue line represents the 100-hour moving average. If we go back in time and go back to this day right here, price moved up toward that blue line and found willing sellers again. And you go back to here, this is where it all started, where the price fell below the blue line and then came up, retested that level before moving to the downside. So we've had this type of move to the downside that has found resistance sellers against the blue line, which is the 100-hour moving average. Now in trading today, what did we see? We saw the price move above the blue line. That blue line currently comes in at 1.08132, and that level also happened to correspond roughly with the low price that we saw in last week's trading. That low price was right here at 1.08103. So not only get above that level, which we initially found resistance at in trading earlier today, but we also broke above the 100-hour moving average. So what that says to me is that the bias is turning a little bit more to the upside here. The buyers are taking back some control from the sellers that have forced price to the downside here. So that's good news for the traders looking for more upside probing. Now that upside probing would have to get above the 200-hour moving average. That's a green line in the chart. And you can see, well, by definition, because we couldn't get it above the 100-hour moving average, we haven't been above the 200-hour moving average since going way back here, where it was first broken right here, the same day that the market broke below the 100-hour moving average. So it's been a long while since we've been above that 200-hour moving average. That level comes in at 1.08427 in a new trading day. We're going to need to get above that level to increase the bullish bias. And if we do, well, we can then start to look toward the 200-day moving average, which started this whole week off when not only did we test the 100-hour moving average, but we were testing the 200-day moving average. That's this green line here. You can see how it's just kind of what's been going sideways here. It's currently right at the bottom of this swing area near 1.08722. So get above that level and the 61.8% retracement, and then we start to really start taking away some of the advantage that the sellers had from a technical perspective and put the advantage back in the buyer's direction. So that's my technical look at the euro versus US dollar. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye now.